Okay, little short video on this. I finally got this home from Auburn. It's been sitting up there at the shop for probably about a week while I've been doing paperwork and stuff on it. I've been told this came from the 63rd Tactical Air Brigade and part of headquarters 103rd Battalion. That sticker up in the window, that's a temporary California registration plate. And it's a 1986, people call them a Humvee, but it's actually a HMMWV. This is the two-man cargo troop carrier type. And what it has is back here where these panels are, those are half doors. Okay, so we got metal doors up here, the windows operate up and down. The half doors can come out. I can take this top off and I can turn that into a four-man Hummer. So there's the back. We have a new cover just arrived today to replace this one. This one isn't too bad. It's just weather might get through it. It's got, you can see light through the top of it in places. But it's got the tie downs, it's got the pintle hitch, diesel over here. It has 37-inch tires on it. It has kind of weird rear view mirrors. The rear view mirror on the passenger side is ahead of the door, and you have to look through the windshield to see the rear view mirror from the driver's seat. We're going to put the snorkel kit on it, which raises up the intake manifold about 20 inches. So it's got blackout lights for driving at night right up here. Everything works. I have LED headlights coming for it, and this has got the real suspension in it. This isn't one of the civilian models. This is a genuine military version of it. It was rebuilt in 2008. It has 3,200 miles on a 6.5 liter diesel engine, 3-speed GM automatic transmission. Basically it's a GM engine, transmission, and transfer case, and it's completely gone through at Fort Campbell from the ground up. It's got all new bolts on it. It's got hardware on it that's just unreal. I do have another set of tires for it because these tires are 10 years old and I don't trust them. So anyhow, we'll see how bad we can trick this thing out. It has a whole lot of ground clearance. So it's built to go places and haul stuff. It's a 1.25 ton capacity truck. So it'll carry 2,500 pounds in the back. DMV registered it as a 4-door SUV. I have insurance on it, and there's only 3 years of this one that you can register here in California without having to jump through a bunch of hoops. That's 86, 87, and 88. And the other cool thing is there's no smog required. So I'm not going to get those nasty grams every 2 years on this thing telling me that I need to get a smog check done on it. It's totally exempt. So there we go. Okay, just when you thought I was done, I forgot something. It's got all the data tags on here, the plates. It's got the serial number and the date when it was rebuilt. Inside, we got the stop, run, and start for the diesel engine. We have the light switches over here. It's got blackout lights in one side of it. It's got high-low dimming for the panel. Air filter warning when it needs to get changed. Big old lock. It's got a cable on it. Speedometer, oil pressure, temperature, heater control. And this part here, this is your parking brake. It has no park on the transmission. You're either in reverse, neutral, drive, or second or first gear. This is high for just driving down the road. Neutral, we got low range, and then high lock, where it actually locks the differential. It's got a heater over there. There's the windshield wiper. And it's got, I'm told this is the way they come. One's a high back seat, and the other one's just this seat here. With storage underneath this one. It also has, let me come around here. Oh, the windows here. Because it had soft doors on it. This one here has the hard doors on it, And you operate the windows by pulling this out, dropping the window down wherever you want it. And of course those are those huge rear view mirrors. And then on the other side, we'll come back around.